Hello my quilting friends! My name is Leah Day and welcome back to Mini Block Monday. Today we are piecing rail fence blocks, and as you can see, you can get two different looks for just rotating the pieces around. As you can see here, I have the purple to the inside, that creates that look, and here with the blue to the inside, it really creates an interesting block. So let's learn how to make one rail fence block together. For this block, you will need, in a purple fabric color, cut 4 1 1/4 by 2 inch rectangles, and in a blue fabric color, cut 4 1 1/4 by 2 inch rectangles. The piecing for a rail fence block couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is piece these rectangles right sides together along the long edge. And here's what the units look like when you get them stitched. Go on ahead and press that seam allowance open and flat, and make sure to measure this. It should measure exactly 2 inches square. Now you can arrange your units in 2 sets of 2 pieces. This is how I would arrange it if I want this colorway with blue in the center, and if I wanted it with purple in the center, I just take the units and rotate them around so that purple is the color to the inside of the block, just like so. If you're ever unsure, maybe worried that your pieces aren't in the right arrangement but you can't quite tell, snap a picture of it. It really works. Shut your phone down, then open it back up again and take a look at it again. It's surprisingly easy to have something flipped around the wrong way but not be able to see it until you see a smaller representation of the block, such as a small thumbnail image on your phone. So that's it for this tutorial. If you'd like to find more Mini Block Monday videos, click here to find a playlist of them all. And if you'd like more tips on quilt piecing, click here to find a video with my 5 main tips for piecing successfully. And if you'd like to learn even more, I have written a book about piecing. This is How to Piece Perfect Quilts. You can find it on my website at leahday.com/piece. Until next time, let's go quilt.